Welcome to my channel. Today, we're stepping out of the ordinary and into a world where homes have wheels, cost millions, and redefine what it means to live in luxury. These aren't your average RVs. These are rolling masterpieces designed for billionaires, celebrities, and anyone who thinks a mansion isn't mobile enough. These are the top 5 motorhomes you'll die to live in, if you can even afford one. Let's start with the Faulkner Mobile Performance S. At first glance, it looks like a modern tour bus, but get a little closer and you'll see why it's worth over $2 million. What sets this machine apart is the integrated hydraulic garage hidden underneath the floor. With the push of a button, your Ferrari or Porsche slides out, ready to roll. Inside, it's pure elegance. High-end leather, custom wood finishes, a state-of-the-art kitchen, and a spa-level bathroom. Every inch is designed to pamper. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Next, we have the Marchi Mobile ELEM Palazzo Superior. This one doesn't look like it belongs on Earth. Its futuristic design is unlike anything you've seen on the road. Think spaceship meets luxury hotel. It's priced at over $3 million, and when you see the inside, you'll understand why. There's a rooftop sky lounge that rises electronically, giving you a panoramic view wherever you park. The master suite includes a rainfall shower, marble floors, and gold accents. It's over the top in every way, and that's exactly the point. Number 3 is the Newmar King Air. Built for the road, but designed like a 5-star hotel. The King Air focuses on smooth, quiet travel with top-of-the-line insulation, suspension, and control systems. The interior is where it truly shines. Heated tile floors, solid wood cabinetry, touchscreen everything, and lighting that adjusts to your mood. It's ideal for those who want to travel cross-country without ever sacrificing comfort. And yes, it comes with a washer, dryer, and even a dishwasher. Because why not? Now let's talk about the Featherlight Vantare Platinum Plus. This RV is a custom dream for anyone who lives large. We're talking imported marble flooring, Swarovski crystal details, and Italian leather covering nearly every surface. One model even came with a built-in treadmill, a full-size bath, and a backlit ceiling that looks like a night sky. You'll find hidden compartments for luxury watches and private safes for cash and jewelry. Subtle until it isn't. This one's for the billionaire who likes to flex without saying a word. And finally, the most exclusive of them all, the Anderson Mobile Estates. You won't find this one on the market. These are one-of-a-kind mobile estates custom-built for A-listers like Will Smith and top executives who need privacy, security, and non-stop comfort on the move. They're double-decker, come with personal offices, conference rooms, movie theaters, and even fireplaces. Some even have facial recognition entry systems. These are rolling fortresses, and you don't just buy one. You have to know someone. So, there you have it. 5 motorhomes that redefine what's possible when you put unlimited money behind unlimited comfort. They're not just for getting from point A to B. They're for turning every mile into a statement. If you could choose just one, which would it be? Drop your pick in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insane luxury content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.